Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create kids account on Netflix. So in here, I'm going to do it on mobile, but you can also do the exact same steps if you're using TV or browser. So if you want to give your kids a safe, curated, and fun viewing experience tailored just for them, uh, that is age appropriate based on their age, you can just create a kids account on your Netflix. So this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just open Netflix applications on your device. So I'm going to show you two steps. The first one, if you just open the app, here you can just click on the add button directly and you'll see this page to add a profile. Now to create a kids account or profile, you need to toggle this on so that the profile will be made for kids 12 and under and you have all the control. So let's turn it on and you can just add the profile name. For example, I'm going to just go with Jack. Here you can also change the icon, the profile icon. You can choose their favorite character on Netflix. So for example, I'm going to just add okay, this one. Now you can just click on save, and if you want to modify the profile, here you can just tap on edit, click on the profile that you want to modify. Here you can change the maturity rating, whether it's for 10 years and below or a certain age. You can also add a profile lock to the profile, so they need to enter a pin if they want to have access to this profile. You can also change the language text that you see on the Netflix, the audio and subtitle appearance in here. And here you can also choose to turn the autoplay, next episode or preview on or off. Okay, so that's the first step. And the second step, if you're already on Netflix and you want to create a kids account, here you can just go click on my Netflix at the bottom. Here click on the drop down in the profile and you'll see these options at the bottom. Just tap on add profile and follow the same steps like before. So guys, that's how you can create kids account or profile in Netflix. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.